नरसिंहदेव नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय प्रहलाद मरा जय प्रहलाद मरा. Camera is gone, I think. What can we do? Whatever maklo, poor boys. Every time we are expecting some unexpected things. Today we are going to London. Today ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಒಂದಿನ ರೋಜು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಒಂದಿನ ಲಂಡನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಫ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒಂದು
ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಓಪನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ
ಅಷ್ಟು ಓಡಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Today we are at Konkan School, Kumta. Came here. One function is going on. We came here. We came here. You can see our students. What and all. Some stalls are already came. You can see this one. Ice creams is there. You can see the ground. The program is started, and some students are in eating mode, and we are in setup mode. With the addition, we keep books today, but unfortunately, we bring the sweets that we think that it didn't work here. Anyway, there is a Jagriti is there. There is only one formula for us today. Samosa has came already with our antis group bring us samosas. Samosa dish came. Every time we are expecting some unexpected things. Today all samosas sold out. We thought that we will not do any great business, but compared to this place, we are getting good response. Where sweets also selling, and samosa and tea already sold out. Unexpected is all mercy of Jagannath, I think. We are already getting good responses, but we have to work on about snacks because we here there is a lot of children. The sweets all are the parents will like, teachers will like, but for children we have to you have to make more snacks. That already informed our production team. There is a big team behind this. I will show you when this channel get 1K subscribers. Then subscribe this channel. Let's see until this event ends. This is we can call it a day 1 at Kumta. Prabhu ji ki jai. Camera is gone, I think. What can we do? Whatever maklo, poor boys. Please adjust the camera capacity. You can see here some drone is operating. The ground is little bit empty. I am also curious how this drone will be fly. Yakshagana is going on. You can see here drone is operating. Drone is flying. Camera. Now the time is 11:54, nearly. Today collection is okay. We didn't expect it, but still we have to make lot of more changes. Then only we can click here and attract our customers. ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾವು 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
I hope you guys are enjoyed our videos. For more information, please do subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Thank you.